Hey there, folks! Did you know that the average American spends around 2 to 5 days each year looking for lost items due to clutter? That's a lot of valuable time wasted. But today, we're diving into a book that promises to change all that. It's The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. If you're tired of the clutter chaos and ready for a simple, effective way to banish it forever, you're in the right place. So, grab your favorite snack, find a comfy seat, and let's get started. The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up is a must-read for anyone who's ever felt overwhelmed by the clutter in their life. Marie Kondo's KonMari method is not just about tidying up. It's about transforming the way you relate to your belongings. Let's dive into some of the key points. Chapter 1. The KonMari method. Kondo introduces her unique method, emphasizing that it's not just about decluttering, but also about keeping only what sparks joy in your life. Chapter 2. Tidying by category. Kondo suggests tidying up by category, starting with clothing and moving on to books, papers, miscellaneous items, and sentimental items. This helps you face the extent of your possessions. Chapter 3. Discarding unwanted items. Kondo's approach to decluttering involves holding each item and asking whether it sparks joy. If it doesn't, it's time to let it go, with gratitude for its service. Chapter 4. Folding and organizing. Kondo offers practical tips on folding clothes and organizing your space efficiently, making the most of your storage. Chapter 5. The importance of simplicity. Kondo believes that a simplified living space reduces stress and promotes happiness. Chapter 6. Dealing with sentimental items. Kondo provides guidance on how to cherish memories without clinging to physical items. Chapter 7. Lifestyle transformation. The book goes beyond tidying to suggest that decluttering can lead to personal growth and a focus on what truly matters. Chapter 8. Maintaining tidiness. Kondo emphasizes that this process is a one-time event, with a focus on maintaining the organized state. Chapter 9. Gratitude and mindfulness. Throughout the book, there's an emphasis on gratitude for your possessions and mindfulness in your living space. Chapter 10. The impact on well-being. Kondo discusses how a decluttered living space can positively affect your well-being. There you have it, folks. The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo is a book that can truly transform the way you live. It's not just about tidying. It's about embracing a simpler, more joyful way of life and finding what truly sparks joy. If you found this summary helpful and want more book insights, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We'd love to have you as part of our community. And please share your thoughts in the comments below or suggest which book we should tackle next. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, it's time to banish clutter and make room for the joy in your life.